Working back on the C10 today, I decided I did not want this anymore, that I was going to go ahead and cut that out because I plan on using a radio that looks more like that, 10.1 inches. So in order to get that in there, I had to make a new plate in order to fit. So first thing I had to do was get some cardboard. You know, you see all the cardboard there. I just been slicing and dicing, cutting. And then what I ended up doing is I had my design, transferred it over to a piece of 18 gauge. You can see I got some sheet metal 10 foot long sitting on the floor waiting to be warped. Grabbed some 18 gauge, transferred the diagram over, cut the edges, put a number 12 on the die, got a little bit of a curve, and now what I plan on doing is welding this back in like so, as the beginning part of the radio. Then what I'll do is once this is in, is I'll cut the new hole out for the radio. I'm going to do this one of two ways. Before I weld it in, I'll put a rim around with the edges all the way around. It's going to show between the top of the metal and the top of this. So that shows you how much space I actually got. And then I'm measuring between this edge here and this edge here, and that's this blue line right there. And then what I'm going to do here is measure between here and here, here and here, which is, I already measured, the same on both sides. And then do the same thing here and put my blue tape in here. And that's gonna kind of give me the diagram of what I need to cut out of the middle to set the radio in. And if I don't like it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some more metal and set this whole thing inside an inset to make it look a little bit more professional, like it's not half-assed. So I'm gonna try this one first. If I don't like it, see how it goes. Alright, so got it tack welded in. Radio fits perfectly fine right there. I even have enough room right here to put a cigarette lighter and like a separate car charger. And right in here is right where I'm gonna have all my airbag suspension stuff. So, alright, a little bit of custom here and almost done. As I was sanding, getting the dash cleaned up after I put the radio in, or after I got the radio hole cut out, got some little bit of filler on. I decided I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning the back up. And the back, somebody put loads and loads of filler in.